Twig Swag, Unraveling the Phrase's Meaning. Hello, English enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, twig swag. It's not your everyday expression, but it's certainly one that can spark curiosity. If you're keen on expanding your English vocabulary with some unique phrases, stay tuned. Let's start with the word twig. In its most common usage, a twig is a small, thin branch of a tree or bush. But in slang, to twig means to understand or realize something. It's like a moment where something clicks in your mind. This is important for understanding our phrase. Now, let's tackle swag. Swag has several meanings. Traditionally, it refers to swaying or moving unsteadily. In modern slang, however, swag is often used to describe a sense of coolness or stylish confidence. It's about carrying oneself with a certain flair. When we combine these two words, twig swag doesn't have a widely recognized definition. It could be an inventive way of describing someone who has a cool or confident understanding of something. Imagine someone who realizes something important and does so with a certain style or flair. That's twig swag. Understanding where and how to use twig swag can be a bit tricky since it's not a common phrase. It could fit in informal, creative, or humorous contexts. For example, if a friend figures out a complicated puzzle and does so with a noticeable confidence, you might say, "Wow, you've got some serious twig swag." As with any slang or unconventional phrase, it's important to use twig swag judiciously. Since it's not widely recognized, its use is best kept for casual or artistic settings where your audience appreciates creativity in language. I hope this exploration of twig swag has been both informative and entertaining. Remember, part of the beauty of English is in its flexibility and creativity. So, don't be afraid to play with words and phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.